Hello, I'm going to make you a quick video to show you how to add your WIDA standards in case you haven't figured it out yet. So for example, this is a new week. I haven't began to add my lessons to the October 5th week. So I just wanted to show you with a brand new week how I would do it. So let's say I wanted to add my WIDA standards to my language arts, which I have it here labeled as EL education. As you can see, I do not have my WIDA standards. So this one right here would be my Common Core state standards that I would leave. And I want to add my WIDA standards to all of my language arts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to settings. Then I will be changing my template. And then I'm going to go to my EL education and I'm going to edit that. Okay, so right here, I'm going to change my name. It's important that you do it here because if you do it straight on the card, it'll only edit for that card. So then I need to add a card and it gives you two options. We're going to click on Add Standards Card because our WIDA are standards as well. So WIDA, I'm going to label that. And then you can move it as well if you need to. So I have it up here now. So I'm going to go ahead and click Done. And it should already change it. So I'm going to click my X. And now I can come back here and check. And as you can see, this one, it didn't copy it here because I already started editing, but it's no problem because you can always just copy the card and then bring it over right here and paste it. Sorry, copy and then paste. So then I'm going to go ahead and move it right up here, but as you can see, all of them have it already. Okay, so after you have your WIDA standards, you're going to, this one didn't copy the word. So no problem, I'll just write it. Then I'll click to search. Then I'll have to find the WIDA standards. You can you have the options by state, organizations, or school and districts. I'm going to go to organizations. Right here is where you're going to find all the different types of standards that there are. Your Common Core is here, and your next generation science standards are here. But the one I'm looking for right now is the WIDA. So they're in alphabetical order, so I'm going to go all the way down to the W. And here we have it, WIDA. And then here are our standards. Then it breaks it down by grade level. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Kinder. Now you can see the standards. You have your listening, your speaking, reading, and writing. Okay, that's all that it comes with. And it gives it to you by the levels, the entering, beginning, developing, expanding, and bridging level. So think about the subject you are teaching and which of these sections it applies to the most. For example, if I'm doing math, maybe I'm going to add this one, circles or underlines, pictures, symbols, and numbers. This would be helpful for our kinder students that are in the entering level. Or I can make something a little bit more like draw objects from models and labels with letters, and I would edit it to say numbers, label with numbers. That is something we would do for math. Okay, so you could change the language a little bit just so that it helps you with your subject. Okay, and the same thing for reading. If you're reading word problems for math, you can find it here, or for social studies, if you're doing reading activities in social studies. If you're doing speaking and listening activities for science and social studies in a discussion, these would be the standards to look for in the levels of your students. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Have fun and do your best.